It's that time of month again. It's swag bag time. Swag bag time. It's that time of month. Not that time of month. It's swag bag time of month. Swag bag. I want to tell you what's happening this month. My favorite things that I'm crushing on right now. And I'm just going to lay it down for you. Here they are. Please give me something that has lasting hydration and clears my pores and is lightweight and makes you super moisturized. You guys, I'm talking about Farmacy Daily Greens. This is for any kind of skin, but for those people, I want you to try this. A little daily dose of daily greens, never hurt nobody, I promise. And it's in the swag bag this month, and I'm obsessed. Farmacy, you're crushing it. So welcome to swag bag, and you guys can thank me later. That's all I'm saying. Okay, this is a brightening mask that hydrates, it evens your complexion. It's fantastic. You guys, it's Eve Lom. It's Eve Lom! This is a deeply hydrating mask. This is the mask that is going to take down the tonality. It's gonna even your complexion. It's gonna make you look better, brighter. Love, 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 love. Eve Lom, welcome to the swag bag. Guys, how big is this? You're getting so many. I love it. Okay, so a lot of you guys are looking for something that brightens the eye area, reduces under eye darkness, and just gives you good hydration. And that's why we reached out to our friends at Goldfaden, Lauren Goldfaden, thank you, Goldfaden ND, and we got the bright eyes, okay? This is the Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This is the corrector. This is a great eye cream. You guys have been asking me for more eye cream, so I brought it to you in this cute little package. We're going to get rid of fine lines. We're gonna bring more luminosity. We're gonna brighten the under eye area, and it's gonna start with the bright eyes. Okay, so the next is, and I've talked about this, my Revita Brow. This is an original physician-developed conditioner for your eyebrows that addresses the visible signs of aging in your brows. When you use this, is lead to healthier, fuller brows. I had nothing, now I have something. They're healthy and they're full. And Revitalash, Revita Brow Advanced. I'm obsessed with you. Okay, so I thought this would be good now. This was kind of a last minute, but we wanted to give you something that you're home right now so you could practice, so you get really good at. And I'm a really firm believer of the individual lashes. They're natural looking. These particular ones come in 4 different flavors: full, classic, refined, and flirty. So you got one of those, 1 out of 4. These are the full. These are the flirty. They're a little thinner. I'm gonna show you how to, I'm gonna put a full on and just show you what a difference it makes. I have a little bit of glue. I'm gonna take a tweezer. I'm gonna pull off the lash. I'm going to stick the glue on the lash like so. I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna literally lay it down like this. That's it, like that. Look at that. Look at that flare. Look at that flare. And then you could add a couple more. Gorge. Just fuller. I have lashes on that. See the lashes? None on here. Lots on here. Oh my God, this eye looks so much bigger. This bag is about making your skin more even, texture, smoother, fine lines. We're targeting them. And that's why it comes to no surprise to introduce my Incredipeel Bliss Incredipeel. You guys love this. Backed by popular demand. It's gonna make you smoother. It's gonna make you brighter. It's gonna take away imperfections overnight. Spa quality peel, baby, in your own home. And since that's where you are, but just remember, if you have sensitive skin, I would do this at night rather than during the day, because if you're exposed to more sunlight, it can have an effect. So just keep that in mind. But Bliss Incredipeel, these are incredible, Incredipeel. That's why they have the name. So love it. I mean, our skin is gonna look so much better. Okay, so we're looking for something that's gonna visibly shrink our blemishes and reduce the color in our blemishes overnight. The original acne zapper. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch. So you find the blemish, you put the pad down, you remove it 6 hours later. Yes! I am obsessed with these. I mean, what else do you want from me, people? Do I bring it or do I bring it? So I hope you guys enjoyed the swag bag. I am now starting Jamie Makeup University, so join us for a class. DM me, sign up for one-on-ones. We could do whatever you want for the half an hour. You and me, one-on-one, honey. We could go over anything. I hope you enjoyed everything. Hope you're staying healthy and you're okay and your family's okay. I'm thinking of you. And I want to thank you again because without you, there's no me. And I appreciate you. I'm grateful. And have a great week. And we'll see you next month. Well, I hope I see you before that, but just in case.